Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and replace my cooker hood smoke filter. As you can see, it looks very dirty and it needs cleaning. Take off the cover using the to-push buttons. Here is what we are working with today. If you flip it over it reveals the filter. Take off the two connectors holding it down. I got what you call a cooker hood grease filter to put on it. This is what it looks like. Cut it to the correct size, making sure it will fit the cover. To clean it, you can use an elbow grease spray. Spray it and leave it to rest for some time. Now it's all clean. You can clean the actual cooker itself if you want. After cutting it to its size, place it on the cover. And connect it with the pins. Now go back to the cooker and place it the same way you removed it. Here is the final results. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.